Red Canary helps organizations prevent, detect, and respond to cybersecurity threats. As your security ally, we quickly cut through the noise, decreasing the likelihood and cost of a security incident. That's because we detect threats no one else does and work with you to investigate and remediate 24/7. Here's how it works. First, we connect to your existing security tools across your endpoints, network, identity, SaaS applications, and cloud environments. Setup is fast and easy, allowing us to start detecting and responding to threats immediately. Our advanced detection engine ingests alerts and raw telemetry from those tools to reduce false positives and identify potential threats. Then, our team of expert SOC analysts go even further, working around the clock to investigate those threats. All of this information is consolidated into a unified threat timeline, where you can see the full story of the threat chain written in plain language and with the right amount of context. It makes it easy to understand the threat and scope of impact, so you can respond and remediate quickly. We then help you take decisive action by stopping threats 24/7 through automated containment and remediation. Customizable playbooks notify you when Red Canary confirms the threat and can be set to respond automatically or be configured to require your approval before executing a response action. You also get 24/7 access to a threat hunter with deep security expertise who provides direct support and proactive security guidance whenever you need it. And with active remediation, these security experts can respond to threats on your behalf, saving you precious time. Beyond detection and response capabilities, Red Canary customers have access to our renowned intelligence, threat research, and community resources. We believe it is important to make this information freely available, ensuring our customers have the knowledge they need to face top threats, techniques, and trends in the evolving threat landscape. Many of the world's largest enterprises and high-profile brands trust Red Canary. No matter the size of the organization, our customers get unlimited support, security confidence, and reporting that proves their security posture is improving. Just imagine what you and your team can accomplish with Red Canary's experts on your side. Get started with a demo today.